Welcome to DROWZLE, an app designed to analyze your sleep breathing patterns and help you and your physician assess your risk for sleep apnea. Once you create a user account, we will ask you a series of questions to learn more about your sleep breathing health. Taking a few minutes to answer all of the questions is really important as your analysis will be affected by your answers. Testing for 3 nights in a row ensures the best results. Testing should take place in a cool, quiet bedroom. Plug your phone into a power source and enable Wi-Fi if not on. Place your phone 1 to 2 feet from your head with the microphone pointed at your pillow. Press record when you are ready to go to sleep. Press pause if you get up during the night, then press resume when returning to bed. When you awake in the morning, press and hold stop. Your results will be analyzed in the cloud. You will be notified by email when the results are ready for review. You can always review the status of reports or find the results here by tapping on the Results tab. You will find results for completed tests here. You can email a detailed version of the report to yourself for sharing with your doctor. You can also delete bad tests here by swiping left and pressing on Delete. You will also find a list of incomplete tests, which may be test recordings or any recording less than 30 minutes in length. By clicking on the Profile tab, you will be able to update your user profile and retake any of the surveys to keep your user information up to date. If you have any questions about DROWZLE, click the menu here. This universal menu gives you access to this video, helpful instructions, and educational information about sleep breathing health and sleep apnea. Used frequently, DROWZLE can help you monitor your sleep breathing health to tell whether it is stable, getting better, or getting worse. More restful sleep means more alert days. Sleep well.